Good evening, students. In this class, I will discuss some of the questions that are related to electric field, and if you know about the concepts earlier, only then this video will be useful to you. Starting from this concept, the question number 1 is match the column. So here we have point charge. So due to point charge, electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. That means due to point charge, electric field is directly proportional to r raised to the power minus 2. Due to electric dipole, electric field is directly proportional to r cube, r raised to the power minus 3. Due to infinite long straight conductor, it is directly proportional to r raised to the power minus 1. And due to infinite sheet, it is r raised to the power 0, because in case of infinite sheet it is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. So in that case sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So that means in that case that electric field is not changing with the radius, with the distance. But in case of point charge, in case of electric dipole, and in case of infinite straight conductor, the electric field varies with the distance in this way. So your option will be option number DP. So DP, that means you A with R and B with S. So B is with S. So option number B, this will be the right answer. Option number B will be the right answer of this question. Moving to the next question now. For the detailed explanation of these 4 derivations, I have given the link that you can see. So moving to the next question now. So next is electric charge on an electron. So everyone knows about it, but if negative sign is, if 2 charges are given, here only one is given, but if one option is present with positive, that can be the charge on proton. So you have to mark the negative one. So here only one option is given, that's why you have to mark this one into R. And dielectric constant of water, so its value is about 80. So these type of questions appears in competition exams. Permittivity of free space, its value is this one, its value is epsilon naught. So epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. Then electrostatic force constant in SI. So SI unit of electrostatic force constant is Newton meter square per coulomb. That is the unit of K in case of Coulomb's law. So Q1 Q2 by R square. So its unit is Newton meter square per coulomb square, and it has a value. It has 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, has a particular value. So in this way, this you can say this option is matching with last option P. So last option P, here 2 options. So option number A and B both can be possible. So A is matching with R. So A is matching with R. So that means this will be our right answer. A is matching with R, B is with S, C is with Q, C is with Q. Okay, so C is matching with Q. Okay, so we have option number A as our right answer. I hope this question is also clear to you. Moving to the next question now. So next is match the column. Again, similar type of questions are there. So in this question we will again see electrostatic force between 2 charges. So it can be given by Coulomb's law, directly R related. So option number A is related with R. So 2 options can be possible, option number B and C. Now Q1, okay, electric flux through a closed surface enclosing a charge. So it is related to Gauss law, and its answer is S. So B is related with S and A is related with R. I hope B will be the right answer for this question. And let's check C is related to Q. C is electric field due to uniformly charged shell on the point inside. So inside 0. Inside the hollow sphere, the electric field is 0 because the charge is distributed on the surface only. So this is the right option, and D is related with P, electric field due to uniformly charged solid sphere inside the sphere. Yes, this is the right relation. So inside the sphere, the electric field is directly proportional to the small r. If you have not seen the derivation part, then you can see the derivation part. I have given that link in the description. So this, for this question, option number B will be the right answer. So these type of questions also can appear in CPSC exams. This question can be in 4 marks. So these are the few questions that I have to discuss with you today. So we will continue this process, and these are the matching type questions. So one more question is there, I think. Yes. So with this question I will end the video, and we will join tomorrow with new more questions. So as a unit of electric field is what? Electric field is equal to force per unit charge, per unit test charge. So that means its unit is force upon charge, that means its unit is Newton per coulomb. So option number 1 is matching with R. As a unit of electric dipole moment is what? Charge into distance. So coulomb meter, charge into distance, coulomb meter anywhere. Okay, so option number S. As a unit of volume charge density means charge per unit volume. So volume charge density is coulomb per meter cube. Now we have three options. So A with S, this option only. B with R, okay. Then C with P, C with P, C with P. Okay, so that cannot be the answer. That means there is some mistake. D with Q. Okay, so some mistake can be there. A with P, A with P possible? No. So A is matching with R. That means A is matching with R, electric field. Okay, so this can be the answer. Option number B, A is matching with R, B is with S, P with S, C with Q. So C with Q and D with P. So yes, option number B is the right answer for this question also. And thank you so much for watching this video. In this video we have covered up to 12 to 13 questions that are can multiple choice questions. So these are the matching type questions. So you can read this, and you have to remember their units as well as their values. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead. We will meet you tomorrow.